Hello students, this is your English lesson. In this lesson, we will read a poem, The Snake, unit number 7 from Oxford Reading Circle 6. Students, this poem is written by Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson was an American poetess. She is regarded as one of the most important figures in American poetry. As a keen observer, she used images from nature, religion, law, music, commerce, medicine, fashion, and domestic activities to probe universal themes, sometimes with humor, sometimes with pathos. Dickinson writes about her subjects. In the poem The Snake, she tells us about a narrow fellow in grass, uses the images of an encounter with the snake to explore the nature of fear and anxiety. Now read the poem together. A narrow fellow in the grass occasionally rides. You may have met him, did you not? His notice sudden is. The grass divides as with a comb. A spotted shaft is seen, and then it closes at your feet and opens further on. He likes a boggy acre, a floor too cool for corn. Yet when a child and barefoot, I more than once at morn have passed, I thought, a whiplash, unbraiding in the sun, when stooping to secure it, it wrinkled and was gone. Several of nature's people I know, and they know me. I feel for them a transport of cordiality. But never met this fellow, attended or alone, without a tighter breathing, and zero at the bone. Now come to the exercises A questions. 1. Which words in the poem describe the snake? Answer. In the first line, the word narrow fellow describes the snake. The word narrow shows that the snake is small in width. The colloquial word fellow, being a familiar term for a man or a boy, has an undertone that suggests commonness. The poet also mentions in the first stanza that his notice sudden is, suggesting that these narrow fellows always seem to take place by surprise. Furthermore, use of phrases such as a spotted shaft in the second stanza and a whiplash, unbraiding in the sun, in the fourth stanza presents a vivid description of the snake without ever specifying what the creature is. 2. Why do you think the poetess says in stanza 1 that the snake's notice is sudden? Answer. The snake is small and moves quietly through the grass without attracting any notice. Therefore, when it becomes visible to people, the notice is sudden. 3. Why does the poetess give details about the snake's habit in stanza 3? Answer. It helps us understand why snakes are commonly found near bogs and in cool areas. 4. Have you ever had an encounter with a snake? How would you have felt had you reached out for the snake like the poetess? Answer. I never had an encounter with a snake. If I do, I think I would feel scared even if the snake was not a poisonous one. 5. Throughout the poem, the poetess has shown cordiality towards animals. Why do you think she does not want to meet the snake ever? Take references from the poem. Answer. The poetess does not want to meet the snake again because she can never see one without a tighter breathing and zero at the bone. She feels scared whenever she thinks of the snake because they can be poisonous but hard to notice. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poem and then answer the questions. 1. You may have met him. Did you not? His notice sudden is. A. Who is being described here? Answer. The snake is being described here. B. Who is being referred to as you? Answer. The reader is being referred to as you. C. Why is his notice sudden? Answer. Snakes do not make a noise while moving and they can hide in the grass easily. Hence, their appearance is usually sudden. 2. Without a tighter breathing and zero at the bone. A. What does tighter breathing mean here? Answer. The poetess feels shortness of breath because of fear. B. Why does the poetess mention zero at the bone at the end of the poem? Answer. It suggests that the feeling of fear was so intense that it penetrated deep into her bones. C. How does the poetess feel about the snake? Answer. The poetess is fearful of the snake and does not want to see once again. C. Words and meaning. 1. What do you think the poet means by the following? A. Whiplash, unbraiding in the sun. Answer. It could mean the molting of the snake. B. Nature's people. Answer. Animals. C. Attended or alone. Answer. By herself or accompanied by another person. D. Zero at the bone. Answer. Deeply fearful. 2. Find the hidden wildlife. A bad ogre arrived. A. Well, I only saw the grass parting. Answer. Line. B. It can be extracted from a flower. B. C. The man came looking for the sheep of the desert. Camel. D. Now love and peace is surely better than war. Owl. E. By eating too much they got terribly ill. Otter. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.